Hello again, everybody. So this was a thrift shop find, 4 or 5 weeks ago. I found in a bag of some junker cars in my thrift shop. But yeah, that's an old Matchbox helicopter, made in England. And this one actually came out back in 1983. So I don't know if you can see through the front window or not. But there's actually a little pilot in that one. So that totally makes it for me. I love when they put little people and things in the cars, and it's nice to have a helicopter with a little pilot. So mostly really good condition, except for the little chip on the top of the backside of the tail there. But the propellers are all really nice. They're not bent and destroyed. So yeah, that's very cool. I like it. Thanks for watching, everybody.